Imagine waking up one day and realizing your bank knows what you need before you even ask. Your loan gets approved instantly, your investments are optimized automatically, and customer support never sleeps. Sounds futuristic? This isn't the future, this is already happening thanks to artificial intelligence. What is AI and why it matters in banking? Quick definition of artificial intelligence in simple terms. Why banks are investing billions into AI, global trends in fintech and automation. Real-world stats showing AI's rapid integration in finance. AI in everyday banking, what's changing? Smart chatbots replacing human agents, 24/7 support. AI credit scoring systems, faster and more inclusive. Fraud detection in real time. Personalized financial recommendations based on your behavior. Your bank might already know your next big purchase even before you do. Scary? Maybe? Powerful? Absolutely. Behind the scenes, how AI works in finance. Machine learning and deep learning in financial systems. Data processing, how banks analyze millions of transactions. AI models used in risk assessment and financial forecasting. Visuals or animations here can show AI scanning data, catching fraud, or approving loans. Success stories. Banks already using AI. JP Morgan Chase, AI reviewing legal documents. Wells Fargo, predictive banking alerts. Chinese fintech giants like Ant Financial automating everything. European banks piloting robo-advisors and AI traders. The benefits. Why this is good for you. Instant access to financial tools. Lower fees thanks to automation. Better financial literacy through smart recommendations. Improved security and fraud protection. The concerns AI and the risk factor. What happens to jobs in the banking sector? Privacy and data usage concerns. AI bias. How algorithms might discriminate. How regulators are trying to keep up. What the future looks like. 5 to 10 years ahead. AI-powered banks with no branches. Fully automated investing and saving. Voice-activated banking and virtual assistants. Predictive financial planning with digital twins of your wallet. Blockchain plus AI integration. How to prepare as a customer. Embrace AI tools offered by your bank. Learn how to manage your data. Ask for transparency in how your financial data is used. Stay informed about changes in digital finance. AI is not here to take your bank away. It's here to rebuild it. Your finances are becoming smarter, safer, and more personalized. But only if you stay ahead of the curve. So, are you ready to bank with AI? If this video helped you understand the future of banking, drop a like and subscribe. In the comments, let me know. Would you trust an AI with your money?